Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on your Samsung Galaxy A33. So let's check Google Play Store. As you can see, it's not available on our Google Play Store, but it should be available on Epic Games app, which you can download from the website. And we shown how to do it in our other videos. So let's open Epic Games app, press on the Fortnite to get, and as you can see, it is available. We can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.